Hey YouTube, this is Abdel Car Fix, and this is an easy fix today. This vehicle is a 2004 VW Jetta, and the temperature was going all the way up to the max, and we have a flashing light indicating temperature is high. As soon as we started the vehicle, the temperature went up, so it didn't even give us any. Didn't even get the chance to drive it or let it run for not even a minute. Right away, it gave us a high temp and low coolant, or a coolant, a hot coolant indicator, or hot engine. So I did check one thing: the fan was running the whole time. The heat was not getting cold. Okay, so what we find out, this guy right here. It's a 13 bucks sensor. It's a temp sensor. It's right here. Okay, you got a clip right there. You pull that clip with a plier right here. This is the clip. You pull the clip out like that, and then you pull the sensor. If you see the sensor here, you have a little rubber O-ring on it, and then you insert the new one, and then you put the clip back on. Push it down with the one hand and push the clip back in the other hand. And this harness, the best way I do with this harness right here, that just put the little pick on the bottom of it. I'll show you how that easy and simple. You put that clip on the bottom like that, and you can kind of pull it and it comes right out. One more thing too, whenever I took that temp sensor out, the fan stopped and the vehicle went into a low temp. So that's what gave me indication also that there's something going on. And I checked the temperature of this engine. The engine was showing me like 120 Fahrenheit, but on the dash was showing me 260. So I knew something is not right. So that's how I went to the sensor. We changed the sensor, and that took care of the problem. And just make sure it's no leak. Okay, this, you can see some steaming that coming from the bottom where we spilled some coolant, came out of that. We did not drain it, we just let it spill some of the coolant and we got it out. So as easy as that. Temperature, high temperature, sometime can be caused by a bad temp sensor, especially on those VWs. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel, and let's we can keep more videos coming to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.